This is Panorama Real Estate. This time, I would like to introduce Kutchan-cho, Hokkaido. It takes 1 hour and 54 minutes from the center of Sapporo Station via Otoru. It is about 99.3 kilometers away. Kutchan town has a population of 14,799. To the east is Mt.Yotei, and to the southwest is Niseko town. Kutchan town is famous for its potatoes. This property is located a little bit inside from Route 5. Kutchan Automobile School and Niseko Country Farm are located nearby. Niseko Country Farm is located nearby. This is a place where you can experience horseback riding in summer and winter. As I mentioned, Yamada Denki is also nearby. Now let's zoom in and take a look. There are no tall buildings, and it's a quiet residential area with detached houses. This is the land at the back where you can see the fields. From the property, you can see the 1898-meter-high mount. I think I climbed this mountain once when I was a student. Let's go around the back and have a look. Unfortunately, the Google Earth view only shows the view in winter. I'll post summer photos later. The height of the snow is amazing. The land is 332 square meters. The price is 8 million yen including tax. In the 2018 Flat 35 user survey, the national average for custom-built housing area is 126.8 square meters. It is about 38 tsubos. That's enough to build a large detached house or an apartment. You can enjoy moss blossoms in the spring, golf in the summer, strolling through the autumn leaves in the fall, and snowboarding and skiing in the powder snow in the winter. This is a town where you can enjoy all 4 seasons. If you have any questions about the property, please feel free to contact us.